Okay, so this has got to be one of the most comfortable gaming chairs that I have ever used. This is the DXRACER Martian series gaming chair. Now the one I have here is the large model, which can hold up to 300 pounds, but you also have an extra large model as well to hold more weight. But I gotta say, this gaming chair has been so great to use. And I'll tell you right now, right off the bat, if you're someone who just loves to sit there and game all day long for a long period of time, this is gonna be the chair for you. Not just because of how comfortable it is, but because of what it has to offer as well. First off, let's just take a look at the design. I mean, just looking at the chair, you can already tell that this is a gaming chair. I mean, it has that whole look to it, and it almost has the look of like a race car seat as well. I mean, it's in the name DXRACER, and then you got the Martian series, which, you know, that kind of design in the front kind of gives you that Martian look, but it has a really cool look to it. And you can really tell that DXRACER put a lot of detail into this chair when it comes to the stitching. The stitching all throughout the chair is really, really nice. Very high quality as well, materials that they use in this chair. And then along both sides, you're getting that nice carbon fiber look all throughout the sides. And just the overall material is really, really nice. Now, one cool thing about this chair is that it is actually an electric chair. So if you want to recline back, there's actually a little toggle on the side, kind of like a car, where you just press that and it starts inclining back for you. You don't have to worry about any levers you have to pull or push, and it goes back so smooth and so good. You got a 5,000 milliamp battery in this chair right here, which is going to last you a very long time because it's not like you're moving this back and forth every single time you use it. And it can recline back 135 degrees and then incline up to 90 degrees. But that's not the only thing. If we go over here to the other side, this also has some really good lumbar support. It's got built-in airbags, and this is going to allow you to move that lumbar support higher or lower, and then outer or more inward as well, with the little toggle down here at the bottom right side of the chair. So just another nice feature right there, and it allows you to really customize the feel of the chair. It allows you to customize that lumbar support, put it exactly where you want it on your back to give you that real comfort that you want when gaming. That way you don't mess up your back either for sitting there long periods of times, because you know, it is known that if you sit for a long period of time, you can eventually mess up your back. Your back will end up hurting for sitting for so long, then you'll have to find yourself getting up, stretching out. Well, this lumbar support is really going to help take away some of that pain right there. And then of course, like I said, you have the other side, which will allow you to incline or recline. So very cool features that we have within this chair right here. And it comes with the charger in the box as well. You just simply plug it in when you're ready to charge it and you're good to go. Now we also have the option to adjust the armrest as well. We can go forward, backward, we can go up, down. We can also go outward, inward, and we can even go diagonally like that. So you can really customize this to, you know, really fit your needs on how you want your arms as well. Say you're a mobile gamer and you just want to maybe play a game on your mobile device or tablet. This is a really nice option right here because both of your arms are going in closer, bringing your hands closer together to play on a smaller mobile device. And then of course, if you're playing on PC or console, you have that option to, you know, spread them out again and have a more comfortable feel and be able to just, you know, hold a controller or play on a PC. So a lot of cool features that we have here with this chair. And not only that, you'll probably notice like, hey, there's no headrest in the back. Actually, there is. If you look in the back, we got a little pillow back here, boom, and it attaches to the chair magnetically, a very strong magnet. You don't have to worry about adjusting any straps or straps getting loose over time. A nice magnet right here, and it sticks to the top of the chair right here as well. And boom, you have your headrest. Super comfortable. You can put it a little lower if you want it more closer to your neck, or you can put it a little higher if you want it closer up towards your head. I kind of like it a little lower by my neck right here. So just give me that nice little arch by my neck, but very, very comfortable pillow. I mean, I can probably sleep with this on my bed and fall asleep with this pillow because of how soft and comfortable it is. This gaming chair does come with wheels, so you can be able to roll it around wherever you need it. And it also does still come with the lever on the side in case you need to go higher or lower with this chair right here. But I mean, overall, for a gaming chair, I mean, you really can't go wrong right here with the Martian series gaming chair. Super comfortable, very high quality gaming chair. If you find yourself interested in this chair, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below. Honestly, I really can't find any negatives for myself. I mean, I know I haven't tried every single gaming chair that's out there on the market, but from the ones that I have used in the past and comparing this to those, this has got to be the best gaming chair that I have used yet. very comfortable, very high quality, comes with nice built-in features to the chair as well. I guess the only drawback would have to be that you would have to charge the battery, you know, every once in a while just to keep that electrical stuff charged. But I mean, you do that with your smartphone every day as anyway. So what's the difference about doing it with your gaming chair, you know, every few weeks or something like that, depending on how much you use that electrical stuff in this gaming chair. But yeah, the DXRACER Martian series gaming chair. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. If you do find yourself interested and want to check one out for yourself, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is JoshQ. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.